Good morning. So welcome back to your class here. Today I will start your 4.2 exercise 4.2. See, this is your quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here degree is what? 2. So this quadratic equation has what? 2 less than equal to 2 roots. Less than equal to 2 roots. So because maximum here highest degree is for 2, so it has 2 zeros or 2 solution or 2 roots. So this type of quadratic equation you can solve by factorization method and the completing the square method, then by using what? Quadratic formula or graphing. So it is factorized method. Second is what? Completing the square. Then next is what? Using quadratic formula, and fourth is what? Graphing. So this graphing is not in your syllabus. Okay, we will discuss only these three methods: factorization and completing the square using quadratic formula. First we will discuss what is factorization. See exercise 4.2. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by what? Factorization. This equation you should find the roots by what? Factorization method. So factorization method, x square minus thrice x minus 10 equal to 0. Here coefficient of x square is what? 1, and here c is what? Minus 10. Okay, here just you multiply that, the coefficient of x square is a. Okay, this is where 1 into here c is what? Minus 10. C is what? Minus 10. Okay, just you forget about a minus sign. Okay, this is your 10. So 10. Okay, 10. Factors of 10 is what? 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is your factors. Factors of 5 is what? 2, 5. So if you add these two factors, 2 plus 5 or 2 minus 5 or 5 minus 5 anyway. So you should get the middle term. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So this is your middle term is 7. Just forget about this minus sign. Okay. So 2 minus 5 is what? 3. Here x square. Okay. Just you write. Here is your minus sign. Then you are getting these two factors 5 and 2. Factors of 10 is what? 5 and 2. So you should write 5 minus 2. Here minus because here 10 is what? Minus sign. So you should put here minus. If here is plus, so you should put here plus sign. So minus. Then into x. Minus 10 equal to 0. X square minus. Here I am writing factors of 10, 5 minus 2. Then this into x minus 10 equal to 0. Give imply sign. X square. See 5 minus 2 is what? You are getting this middle term. Okay. Then minus a plus a minus. This into x is what? Minus 5x. This minus a plus 2 into x twice x minus 10 equal to 0. You can write this line directly. X square minus 5x plus 2 minus 10. So you are getting 5 minus 2 is what? Minus 3. Here what is the common? X square minus 5x. Common is what? X. So you take this x common. So inside bracket x. X into x is what? X square. Then minus 5. X into 5 is what? 5x. Plus a minus. Then next here is twice x. Here is minus 10. What is the common? 2. So you are getting here x plus a minus. Then here is 10. So 2 5s are 10. So you are getting this inside bracket is same. So again this x minus 5 is what? Common. You can take common x minus 5. So in factorization method you should get this bracket term should be same. So x minus 5 is common, then x after taking here is 2 equal to 0. So this quadratic equation you are getting in two factors. One is x minus 5 and another is what? X plus 2 equal to 0. So it means what? You can write either x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So from here x equal to what? Minus 5. If you transform here, you will change this sign, plus 5. So x you are getting what? Plus 5, this one, or x equal to minus 2. So that is your x value, x equal to minus 2. Here x power is what? Degree is 2. So every quadratic polynomial you should get the root should be less than 2 or maximum is 2. So here you are getting x equal to 5 and x equal to minus 2. So the required roots are 5 and minus 2 of the given quadratic equation is these are the roots 5 comma minus 2. So please write down. Next question number 3. Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. So you should solve by what? Factorization method. Given equation is this 5 root 2 equal to 0 here. Coefficient of x square is what? Coefficient of x square is root 2 and c term is what? 5 root 2. 5 root 2. So 5 into root 2 square. See root 2 is root 2 square. 5 into 2 equal to 10. So this is your 10. So factors of 10 is what? 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Okay. So root 2 x square. If you add or subtract, you should get the middle term. Okay. Plus this. Okay. Here you are getting 5. 5 minus 2 or 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So your middle term is what? 7. So you should add 5 plus 2. 5 plus, here is plus sign, so you should keep here, plus 2 equal to 7, x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Then root 2 x square, this plus into x is what? 5 into x is 5x, plus a plus a plus 2 into x is what? Twice x, plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Okay, don't confuse this 5 plus 2. Why you are making? Because you should get this 7x. So then after that you are multiplying this plus sign, plus a plus 5 into x 5x, 2 into x twice x into this. Then here you can take common root 2 x square and x. What is the common here? X is common. Then here is what? Root 2 x plus 5. See, root x into root 2 x. So root 2 then x into x is what? X square. The x into 5 is what? 5x plus a plus a plus. Then again here twice x and 5 root 2. Okay. This 2 can be write root 2 into root 2. Remember. So this 2 means what? Root 2 into root 2. From here you can take the root 2 common because here is also 1 root 2. 5 into root 2. So you can take the common what is root 2. Then if you take root 2 common, then here root 2x. See, root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Then x plus, if you after taking this root 2 common, then the remaining is what? 5. Root 2 into 5 is 5 root 2 equal to 0. Next, see inside this bracket root 2x plus 5 is same. So in factorization you should get under bracket should be same term. So here again you can take the common this root 2 plus root 2x plus 5 is common. Then x plus root 2 equal to 0. So you are getting this root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2x equal to 0. This equation, quadratic equation, you are getting in terms of two factors. One is this, another is this. So these two factors you can write for getting what? X value. Root 2x plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus root 2 equal to 0. So here root 2x equal to minus 5. See, this plus 5 if you transform in right hand side, then it will change sign. X equal to minus 5 by root 2. This or x equal to minus root 2. So that is your answer. X equal to minus 5 by root 2. X equal to minus root 2. So you write after this the roots of the given equation are. So here you write the roots of the given equation is what? Are minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. So these are the roots, minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. See? So next question number 2 is what? John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and okay, the product of the number of marbles they had now is what? 124. Product is what? 124. So we should like to find out how many marbles they have to start with. Okay. Means here John and Jivanti together have how many marbles? 45. But John had how many marbles? You don't know. Then the Jivanti also. But here you should let the number of marbles John had be what? Just you take it x marbles. Then next suppose here x and the total is what? 45. Then the Jivanti is what? Question mark. Jivanti, suppose you are taking what? X. You are taking John has x. Then Jivanti will be what? X plus question mark equal to 45. So how can you find this question mark? You can find how this question mark equal to what? 45 minus x. So it should be, this Jivanti should be what? 45 minus x. Number of marbles for what? Jivanti is what? 45 minus x. 45 minus x. Jivanti had 45 minus x. Then the number of marbles Jivanti, then and also given that what? The product of, or given that the both of them had lost 5 marbles. Both of them had lost what? 5 marbles. So here number of marbles left with John, if he lost 5 marbles, x minus 5. He lost 5 marbles. Then again Jivanti lost 5 marbles. 45 minus x minus 5. So that is 40 minus x. 45 minus x minus 5. Minus 5 because both of them lost what? 5 marbles. So minus, it should be minus of 45 is plus, plus minus minus, 45 minus 5 is 4, then minus. So again what? Product is given. Product of marbles, that the product of the marbles John and Jivanti had is what? It is also given. It is also given what? 124. So here you can write x minus 5 into 40 minus x is given equal to 124. 124 marbles. Here 124 is what? The product of Jivanti and John. So 124 marbles. So you should solve these two factors. You should solve this. Here according to question what? X minus 5 into 40 minus x equal to what? 124. Here x, two factors, x minus 5 and 40 minus 5. Then x into 40 is what? 40x. Then x into minus, okay, first is plus and minus a minus. Then x into x is what? X is square. Then here is minus sign. So minus a plus a minus 5 into 40. Here 200. Here minus a, this minus into this minus, minus a plus, then 5 into x is what? 5x equal to 124. In next line 40x, okay, 40x, this is in left hand side, 5x, okay, write in minus x square minus 200 minus 124 equal to 0. This 124 you should bring here. Then plus 45x minus x square minus a plus, so it is 4, 2, 3. 324 equal to 0. Here minus a plus, you should add. After that, which one is bigger? 124, 200 sign is what? Minus. So after this line you write, this is not in standard form. So in standard form you should write what? Minus x square. Okay, minus x square plus 45x minus 324 equal to 0. Again you can take the minus sign, x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. So you are getting what? Quadratic equation. This worst problem you are getting in the quadratic equation, x square minus 45x plus 324. Again you should solve this quadratic equation, then you will get the number of marbles that John had and the Zibanti had. And the next step is what? Okay, next you should solve this quadratic equation. Okay, I will write here what? X square minus 45x plus 24. Okay, here x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. So product of a and c means here coefficient of x square is what? 1 and c is 324. Product of a and c is what? 324. Then okay, factorization you can write directly 36 into 9. 36 into 9 is your 45. Okay, if you add it 36 plus 9 you will get 45. So 36 into 9 is your 324. So factors of 324 is 36 into 9. So if you add you will get 45. Suppose if you subtract then you will not get. So you should take it in this way. Here you write x square plus, okay, this is your minus sign, just keep minus. Then what are the factors? 36 plus 9, because here is plus sign, so you are adding here these factors 36 plus 9, 36 plus 9, 36 plus 9 into x, then plus 324 equal to 0. Okay, next is what? X square minus, okay, minus a plus a minus, 36 into x, 36x, then minus a plus a again minus 9 into x is what? 9x. This plus 324 equal to 0. Then next is what? You should take the common. What is the common here? X. Here is x square, here is 36x. So x is common. Then inside bracket, that is your x, only x, then minus 36, x into x, x square, plus minus a minus, x into 36, 36x. Then again you should take 9 common, then 9 into x, minus a plus a minus, 9 into x is 9x. Again you should put minus, because minus a plus. After multiplying this sign you should get this. Minus a plus. So 9 into 36. 9 into 36 is what? 324. So 9 into here 36. So 9 into 36 you will get 324 equal to 0. Then x minus 36. X minus 36 is common. X minus 36 and here is x. Here is minus 9 equal to 0. So in this way you can find either x minus 36 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equal to 0. So x equal to 36 or x equal to 9. So how many marbles? Zone here x. Okay, you should write in this way, x equal to 36 or x equal to 9. Here the required roots are what? Roots are 36 and 9. Means what here? Zone and Zibanti. Suppose x is, you are getting 2. If either either John had 36 marbles, and Zibanti will be what? Zibanti is what? 45 minus x. 45 minus x means if the John is 36, so 45 minus 36 it should be 9. If second is what? If John had, here is 9 marbles, then your Zibanti had how many marbles? 45 minus 9, so 36. So if the John had 36, then the Zibanti will be 9, and John had 9 marbles, then Zibanti will get what? 36 marbles. So that is your answer. So please write down. See, next question is what? Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. See, if you add two numbers, then you will get what? 27. Then the product is 182. So just first you should take let one of the numbers be what? X. Suppose first number is what? X, and the sum is what? 27. Then what will be the x plus, just think this is your question mark equal to 27. Then this will be what? This will be 27 minus x. See, suppose this is your x plus, you don't know this second number is what. If you add this, then you will get 27. Sum is this. Then the second number will be what? This will be 27 minus x. So another number is what? Another number is 27 minus x, because sum is given. Sum is 27 is given. X plus this equal to, just take it, x plus 27 minus x. If you add these two numbers, what? X plus 27 minus x minus plus cancel out, then sum is what? 27. If you add x and 27 minus x, then you will get what? 27. So x, the numbers are what? X and 27 minus x. Then also product is also given. See, product is what? Product is 182. Product of what? These two numbers. Given that what? The product of two numbers given what? This x and 27 minus x. Product of two numbers is what? 27. X into 27 minus x is what? Product of two numbers is what? 182. 182 is what? Product of two numbers. That number. Then, so you should find two numbers. You should find the value of x. Here, according to question, x into 27 minus x equal to 182. X into 27 is what? 27x plus a minus x into x square equal to 182. See, 27x minus, this is your x square. If you transform here, then minus sign 182. But this is not in general form. You should write this x square here plus 27x minus 182. 0 here, also 0. So this minus 1 you can take common, minus x square minus 27x, then plus 182 equal to 0 means what? This minus sign, if you divide here, it is x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. So x square minus 27x plus 182 equal to 0. That is your quadratic equation. Again you need to find the values of x. So simple. Next step is what? X square minus, see, this is your 182. 182, what are the factors of 182? 182. Factors of 182, 13 into 14. These factors you will get 13 plus 14 is what? 27. Then 13 minus 14 is what? minus 1. So middle term is what here? 27. So here is what? 27. Here you should write, here is 27. Okay, just you keep this minus sign. In case of 27, you can write here 13 plus what? 14. 13 plus 14 is your 27. So minus a plus a minus. Then x plus 182 equal to 0. So is there any confusion? See, 180 factors of 182 is 13 and 14. Okay, 13 into 14 you will get 182. Then if you subtract, then you will not get. If you add, then you will get the middle term. So 13 plus 14 is 27. So this minus just keep here. Then next line is what? X square minus this minus a plus a minus. 13 into x is what? 13x plus minus a plus a minus 14x plus 182 equal to 0. Next step, you should take the common x square and minus 13x. So you can take the common x. Then after that here x is remain, x into x square minus 13 x into 13 is what? 13x plus minus a minus. Then again here you can take common what? 14 here x, 14 minus a plus a minus 14 into x, 14x, then minus. So 182 how many times? 14 into what? 13. 14 into 13 is your 182 equal to 0. Next, x minus 13 is common. In x minus 14 equal to 0. You are getting two factors. So you write x minus 13 equal to 0 or x minus 14 equal to 0. So x is equal to 13 and x equal to 14. So now if you suppose you are getting what? X equal to 13 and x equal to 14. So these are the two numbers. The two numbers are what? 13 and 14. See, you are taking what? X and 27 minus x. If you take your x equal to, suppose first is what? 13. If you take x equal to 13, then next will be what? 27 minus 13 is what? 14. So x is what? 13 comma 14. Again if you take x is equal to 14, then next is what? 27 minus 14 will be what? 13. Same. Two numbers are 14 and 13, 13, 14 same. So the two numbers are 13 and 14. So after this, formula. Next method is what? Method of completing the square. This method, suppose your quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In this method, here coefficient of x square is what? A. So here you should divide this coefficient of coefficient of x square is a, so you should divide by a here and again here also. Then c by a equal to 0. Then next is what? Cancel out x square plus b by a x plus c by a equal to 0. Then so completing method square you should make in terms of a plus b whole square is what? A square plus twice ab plus b square, or a minus b whole square form. A square minus twice ab plus b square. Okay, you should make in this way. So here x square plus, if you multiply here 2, then 2 by a, if you multiply by 2 and again you should divide by 2 here. See, you are multiplying in numerator what? 2, you are dividing by 2. Again here x plus c by a equal to 0. X square plus this x you can write here twice x plus b by twice a. See, this x 2 into x plus b by twice a, okay, plus c by a equal to 0. Here x square, this is your, suppose just think this is your a square plus twice ab, but b square, here b square term is not here, but you should make, okay, a square plus twice x b by twice a, okay, suppose here if you add b by twice a whole square, and again you should subtract it, again you should subtract here b by twice a whole square, means after cancellation, plus and minus, after cancellation you will get 0, plus c by a equal to 0. Why you are adding and here subtracting? Because you should make in terms of this a plus b whole square form. After this is your a square plus twice ab plus b square. So in this case you can write x plus b by twice a whole square. If you square it, x square plus twice a b is your b by twice a plus b square term, then equal to, okay, minus b, this b by twice a whole square means what? B square by 4a square plus c by a equal to 0. Then x plus b by twice a whole square equal to, if you transform in this side, it will be b square by 4a square minus c by a, okay, minus c by a. So again you can take LCM here, x plus b by twice a whole square equal to, take LCM for a square and a is what? 4a square. Then 4a square, how many times it goes? Only 1. So 1 into b square is b square. Then this minus a, how many times here? 4a. This into c, 4ac. So you are getting what? B square minus 4ac. Next is what? X plus b by twice a whole square equal to this. So x plus b by twice a, if we take out here is this square sign, so it will be plus minus inside over root, in this way b square minus 4ac by what? 4a square. This square root is all over. Again you can, here is x plus b by twice a, so here x equal to minus b by twice a, so you should bring here this minus b by twice a. If you transform in right hand side, then it will change sign, plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by what? This 4ac, 4a square. So in this case you can write 4a square, also you can write in this way, that is your minus b by twice a plus minus b square minus 4ac by 4a square is what? Twice a whole square. You can write in this way, 2 2s are 4, a into a square is what? A square. So you can cancel out. Then minus b by twice a plus minus b square minus 4ac by twice a. The next line, again you can take LCM this twice a. Take LCM twice a, then here is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac. So that is your what? X value. X equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by twice a. So in completing square method you should use it in this way. Again this value is called quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. Okay. In the completing square method you should use up to this. Okay. Up to this. Then again note this term x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by twice a. This formula is called what? Quadratic. This formula is called quadratic formula, and this method is called what? Completing square method. So in exercise 4.3, completing square method, you should use this method. Okay.